Rewrite 40 through 42 by separating off the final term. We have a summation from k equals 1 to m plus 1 of the expression k squared. So we start with our index variable, which iterates from 1 to m plus 1. We start with k equals 1. We're going to plug in k equals 1 into our expression to get 1 squared. This is the first term in our summation, and we're adding up all of these terms together to get the final summation. So 1 squared is what we get when we plug in k equals 1, and then our index variable k iterates from k equals 1 to k equals 2. So our next term will be 2 squared, and then the next term will be 3 squared, and so on, until the last terms. I'm going to write out the last 2 terms. The second to last term is when the index variable k is at k equals m. If I plug in m, I get m squared. This is the second to last term. The last term is what I get when I plug in k equals m plus 1 into the expression. So that would be m plus 1 all squared. So this is the summation written in expanded form. The next thing we need to do is we need to separate off the final term. So we're going to pull this term out, and we're going to rewrite the leftovers as a new summation. This part here is actually the same summation as what we started with, the summation of k squared, but now my bounds change from k equals 1 to m instead of m plus 1. That's the summation part, and then we pull out the last term, which is m plus 1 all squared. And so this is how we would pull out the m plus 1th term of this series. Thanks everyone, and I'll see you in the next video.